Hello friends, welcome back to day 6 of our 21 days English challenge. First of all, congratulations to all of you who are still practicing daily. Remember, success comes to those who stay consistent. And trust me, if you practice every day with me, English will no longer feel like a difficult subject. It will become your friend. So today we are going to learn something very interesting and useful daily conversation in English. These are the sentences we use when we talk to our friends, family, teacher or even a stranger. If you master these, you can speak English with confidence anywhere. Here are 10 powerful daily conversational sentences. First one is how are you? To ask about someone's condition. I am fine, thank you. And you? Polite reply. What are you doing? To ask about activity. I am just relaxing. Common answer. Can you help me please? Polite request. Of course, no problem. Helpful reply. What do you mean? To ask for clarification. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Shows confident to learn. That's a great idea to appreciate someone. See you soon. Take care to end a conversation politely. Some rule is here. Always use polite words like please, thank you and sorry. They make your English sound respectfully and natural. So tip for you, keep your sentences short and clear. Don't worry about a big grammar rule and keep your English simple. It's look very powerful. Okay. And remember, English is not about showing off. It's about expressing yourself with confidence. So here are some important examples like good morning, how are you? Please sit down. Can you help me please? Where are you going? I don't understand. Could you repeat that? See you tomorrow. What's your name? This is my friend. Thank you so much. So friend, remember English is not about showing off. It's about expressing yourself with confidence. So practice these with your friends and family today and don't forget small efforts every day lead a big result tomorrow. So remember every single sentences you practice today is I step forward your dream of fluency. Keep practicing, keep smiling and I will see you in the day 7 of your challenge. Until then keep signing and keep learning. Thank you so much.